Hello and welcome back, and as you can see on our screen we have completed our butterfly. Now before we go on to the next one, please make sure that you do, for all the exercises, you go to File and you click Save Now. Okay, and once you've done that, you're not going to lose any of your work. So after you've done that, go File and New. Okay, so in this one we're going to be creating a new sprite and we're going to be adding sound to that sprite. So this exercise is called Break Dancer. As we did before, we do not want this one, so let's go and delete it. And we're going to go and find our new sprite. So just as we did before, go Choose Sprite and click on the first one here, and we can go and put in dance. Now you can choose any of the ones that actually move. This one doesn't. I'm going to choose Champ 99, and there he is. Now I want to give Champ something to dance in, so a little disco hall. That sounds old-fashioned, but certainly a place which is more interesting than this background. So under backdrops, I want you to go and choose a backdrop. And again, we are interested in music. And I don't mind which one you choose, but I'm going to go and choose Spotlight. And you'll see that we've got a great background, but Mr. Champ 99 is far too big. So what I want you to do, where it says size, take off 100 and put in 60. And then just click and you'll find that he's there. Now if you think 60 is a little bit too small, you can go and change it here, that's fine. Okay, so now that we've got and done that, we've got to make our Champ 99 move. So we're going to go and, as usual, go to Events, and I want us to do this. We're going to, when clicked, and you remember by clicking, that means clicking on this flag. And we want him to dance forever, or at least until we ask him to stop. So we'll need to go to Control. And we are looking for our forever block. Now, the next thing is we want to create a sound. So we go to Sound, and we will see here Start Sound. Now at the moment there's not much of a choice, it's just this one, but we want to do a drum beat. So we're going to get rid of this Dance Celebrate and we're going to do something else. To do that, you need to go into this tab here called Sounds. And we're going to go and delete that one. And we're going to go and add 3 more. So we're going to go Choose Sound. And I want you to put up here Drum. And we're going to use this one, and this one. So we'll need to go Drum. We need to go Add Again. And we're going to have to, I'm afraid, put him in again, Drum, and we want number 2, and we're going to add again. Third and last time, type in the word Drum and add 3. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3. 3 drum beats we can play with. So let's go back to the code, and remember this code relates to this sprite here. And the first thing we want to do is to go to that. Okay, let's see what that sounds like. Not fantastic. So what we want to do, we want a drum beat to sound, and then we want him to move to a different position. To do that is we do this. We're going to go to Control, and we're going to get that drum beat to play for a very short amount of time. In fact, just 0.2 of a second, so 0.2. And then we want him to move. So to do that, we need to go and change the costume, not the sprite, the costume. So we need to go to Looks and find Next Costume and just put it in there. Right, now we're going to go and do the same again. We're going to put start sound, weight and costume, actually 2 more times, but we're going to replace this. Now we can do it like this. I can take out this block and I can go duplicate, duplicate. So I'm going to put this in here. Fantastic. Then I'm going to go and put this in here, but I'm going to change it to drum bass 2. And then we've got this final block to put in, and we can do drum bass 3. So that's a nice quick way. We can duplicate. We don't have to go and find all this stuff again and drag and drop it in. We can simply duplicate. So now let's see what that looks like. Okay, so we've got our background, we've got our sprite dancer, and we've added some sound to him. And every time there's been a drum beat, we let it play for a short while and then we get him to change position. All right, off you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.